Hello, learners. My name is Rahul Desai. Today I will recite one poem. The poem name is A Bird Came Down the Walk by Emily Dickinson. The poem was first published in 1891 in the second collection of Dickinson's poem. Now let's recite the poem. A bird came down the walk. There are 5 stanzas in this poem. A bird came down the walk. Now let's start with the first stanza. A bird came down the walk. He did not know I saw. He beat an angel worm in house and ate the fellow roe. In second stanza, and then he drank a dew from a convenient grass and then hopped sidewise to the wall to let a beetle pass. In third stanza, he glanced with rapid eyes that hurried all abroad. They looked like fright beats, I thought. He strived his velvet hair in fourth stanza, like one in danger, courteous. I offered him a crumb, and he unrolled his feathers and rolled him softer home. In fifth stanza, then oars divide the ocean, blue silver for a seam, or butterflies off banks of noon leap fleshless as they swim.